Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are well and doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my latest videos that I share to my channel daily. You know, I make video on fashion and trend always. If you attach with my channel, then you will be attached with fashion and trend as well. I know you are waiting of my latest videos. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. So without wasting the time, we start the video. As you can see, today I am presenting beautiful shaggy haircut ideas. These all shaggy haircut ideas are having all type of shaggy bob haircut like lob shaggy haircut, blend shaggy haircut ideas also with bangs, with layers, without layers and with fashion hair colors. No doubt these all haircut ideas are really amazing that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. So ladies, don't waste your time. Just pick up your favorite one and take a screenshot, or you can also download the video and go to your hairstylist and take this hairstyle. Let me know also which haircut you select for yourself among them. These all haircut ideas are really outstanding that you don't need to style them for a long time. After getting them, you will be ready to go anywhere anytime, like fashion shows, parties, get togethers, in offices, colleges, and in public places everywhere. I hope you guys like my video. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section, and also you can share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way, they will get updated with fashion and trend. And important thing, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. I will be there in next video with one of your and other favorite topic. Till then, take care yourself and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourself. God bless you all and have a great hair day.